Welcome to The Buzz from channelbuzz.ca. I'm Robert Dutt. Today is Tuesday, August 11, 2026, and here's what's happening in the channel today. Schneider Electric yesterday unveiled its next-generation APC Smart UPS at Exchange August 2026, introducing what the company says is the first multi-chemistry battery technology for distributed and edge environments. The new platform accepts both traditional VRLA lead-acid batteries and lithium-ion batteries, allowing customers to start with lower-cost lead-acid technology and upgrade to longer-lasting lithium-ion later, without replacing the chassis. Adam Compton, offer management leader at Schneider Electric, told CRN that the chassis is engineered to recognize different battery chemistries through firmware and battery management systems, which then alert the EcoStruxure IT monitoring software about the specific battery type and replacement timeline. The company says future battery chemistries will also be supported as they become viable. For channel partners, the flexibility creates new service opportunities around battery lifecycle management, assessment, and the Rip Replace Recycle Refresh program. Gordon Lord, Vice President of Channels, said Schneider Electric is doubling down on its Gateway program to give partners visibility into distributed power infrastructure across customer sites. The online version of the new Smart UPS are slated to be available starting September 1, with line interactive versions following the next year. Partners will not require new certifications. Canadian partners working with regulated and industrial customers should note the air gap deployment potential and the EcoStruxure monitoring layer as recurring services hooks. Ingram Micro says hundreds of channel partners are now using its Xvantage integration hub and secure model context protocol server to connect AI assistants directly to their business systems. The distributor announced the expansion adoption last week, positioning the platform as a way to reduce integration friction and automate workflows across quoting, ordering, and customer management. Executive Vice President Sanjeev Sahu described the MCP server as a way to bring AI directly into the flow of business, giving partners a secure, real-time connection to Ingram Micro's data mesh without building custom integrations. TrustX Alliance member Matrix Integration estimates the platform will save its team between 1,000 and 1,500 hours this year. IT design consulting CEO Ryan Evans said his team cut quoting process from hours to days to seconds using the XI integration hub. Ingram Micro is offering on-demand training sessions to help partners build AI-powered solutions through the platform. The company is positioning the offering as part of its broader strategy to make Xvantage an intelligent operating layer for the global channel. Canadian partners should watch how quickly small MSPs adopt the plug-and-play connectivity, since Ingram Micro reports that smaller providers are the fastest adopters so far. And for much more on this, we'll have Sanjeev Sahu on In the Channel later this week. D&H Distributing is now authorized to carry Dell Technologies' full enterprise storage portfolio in the United States and Canada, adding a new sourcing option for partners after Dell ended its distribution relationship with Arrow Enterprise Computing Solutions last month. The Harrisburg, Pennsylvania-based distributor is bringing Dell's advanced infrastructure, including Dell Apex as a service and subscription technologies, to its Advanced Solutions Plus business unit. Chief Commercial and Consumer Officer Marty Bauerlein told CRN that Dell's decision followed an RFP process as was influenced by D&H's execution capabilities and growth mindset. Partners, including Precision Computer Services and CompuCom, have praised D&H's responsiveness and collaborative approach. D&H says its Advanced Solutions Plus unit now accounts for more than 25% of its overall business, quite a shift from the old days. For Canadian partners, the move adds another distribution option for Dell storage and server infrastructure at a time when Dell is also rolling out program changes focused on AI outcomes and faster rewards. That timing means partners can evaluate sourcing alongside the new rebate and registration structures that Dell is expected to introduce this month. In brief, Acronis unveils autonomous IT platform update with AI-driven console, service desk, and migration tools for MSPs. NCC Group partners with SailPoint to strengthen identity security services for human and non-human identities. Lexfo announces general availability of its AI-native IT documentation platform for MSPs, with plans to join the Pax8 and SureWeb marketplaces before the end of 2026. Circana Research presented Exchange August says AI's workforce shock is unlikely to ease in the near future. Full details and links in the show notes or the blog post. Later today on In the Channel, my conversation with Craig Patterson and Peter Stratus from Exabeam about rebuilding the MSSP commercial model to fix the economics of managed SIM, and if you haven't heard it yet, check out my conversation with Chris Fabes, the new president of TD SYNNEX Canada, about his three-sided view of the channel. That's how we're seeing the headlines today. I'm Robert Dutt for ChannelBuzz.ca. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.